Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we will reduce this rational expression to the lowest form, and the given rational expression is 120 times of x square y cube and z to the power of 5 over 30 times of x to the power of 3 y and z square. So we reduce this expression in lowest form. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here you can focus on these digits. So they here this 0 is cancelled out by this 0, and when we can this 3 is cancelled out by 12, because 3 4s are 12. So here we get 4 times of x square y cubed and z to the power of 5 over x to the power of cube y and z square. So after that we will apply here the famous exponent law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, if the bases on the numerator and denominator are same, so that the exponent in the denominator is negative by the numerator, it can be written in this form: a to the power of m minus a to the power of n. So that or other than, we can apply here another exponent law, and you can see in that form, if you have a to the power of m times of a to the power of n, so bases of both are same, so that its exponents are added by each other. Okay, so we can apply here these two exponents laws in order to solve this problem. So that now we move all the terms in the denominator in the numerator, so that you know that if we have a 1 over a to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of minus n. First I will apply here this exponent law. Okay, so that all the terms, when we move all the terms from denominator to the numerator, so that it will becomes in this form: 4 times of x square into y cubed and z to the power of 5 times of x to the power of minus 3 and y to the power of minus 1 and z to the power of minus 2, because here we move these all term into the numerator, so its exponents are negative. So that after that we can apply here this exponent law. We can apply here this exponent law, and this expression will becomes we can add those exponent whose bases are same. So here you can check that the bases of this and this term are same, so that we can add its exponents, and we can write it as x to the power of 2 minus 3. After that the bases of this and this are same, so that we can add its exponents, and similarly the bases of this expression and this expression are same, so that we can add the exponents of these two terms. So it will become z to the power of 5 minus 2. Now we can simplify these terms. It will become 4 to the power of x, 4 times of x to the power of minus 1 into y to the power of 2 and z to the power of 3. So now we can move to the term in the denominator whose exponents are negative. So this term has exponent negative, so that we will move this in the denominator, so that it will become in this form: 4 times of y square into z cubed over x. So this is our required simplified or lowest form, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.